Welcome everyone. Now I know for sure a lot of us already have plans of getting Profem, of buying Profem, or for sure. Now before you actually go to getting your Profem, I would want you to actually check out this no deposit bonus right here in this video, and I'll be showing you by chat with one of their agents who actually reached out to me, making it clear to me that the bonus is available and they gave me the clear terms and conditions. I would explain to you guys which you actually need to meet, and it's pretty straightforward. The terms and condition is pretty straightforward. No hidden details. Everything is clear. Now, for those just seeing this channel for the first time, just kindly click on the subscription button, turn on the notification, and give this video a like. That's the most important thing you actually need to do for this video. You don't need to stress yourself. Just give the video a like and leave in the comment section once you get yours. Leave in the comment section so that you can also encourage others know fully well this video is legit. Now you can see right here on the screen is my chat with the agent who actually reached out to me, making it clear that the bonus is available and you can actually get it. Like I said earlier, you can see right here the chat with the person who actually reached out to me. Says hello sir, good afternoon, and you can see my replies to the person. And on this side you can see right here they actually sent me the link that will take me to the $30 deposit bonus. You can see right here on the screen. Now by clicking on this link, it will take you straight to where you'll be getting the bonus. But firstly, let's actually take a look at the terms and conditions. Like I said earlier, there's no hidden terms and condition. Everything is straightforward. Now you can see the bonus is only available once to a client, and you can see your account must be fully verified, which is very important. Now if you check at the third point, it says the bonus itself is not withdrawable, which means we all know that most deposit bonus you cannot withdraw them. Now the reason why you actually need to get verified is for you to be able to make withdrawal. Once you have actually met with the requirements, you'll be able to make withdrawal. Now there's a required trading volume, which is actually lot size. Now condition for the no deposit bonus, you must trade a total volume of X, which times 25 insta forex lots, where X is equal to the total amount of the bonus received in USD right there. And for euro accounts, the condition is actually a little bit different. Now maximum leverage for the account will be 1 ratio 200, and the company right, you see what they put right here. It says the company reserve the right to cancel or modify the bonus program or withdraw condition at any time. Now upon making a withdrawal request, the bonus must still be present in the account, which we all know. For you to actually make a withdrawal, you must still have the bonus in the account. Now once the volume is achieved, once you have met the terms and condition, and you once you've met the terms and condition and you've been verified, you'll be able to actually withdraw your profit from the account. This is all the terms and conditions you need to be aware of. There's no other hidden terms and conditions. Like you can see right there, those are the terms and conditions. And if you actually dive in by clicking into the link which I showed on the screen right there, I'll be scrolling up back to the top to actually show you the link. Now I'll be actually adding this link to the Telegram channel, which you actually just have to click on the link in the comment section to take you to the Telegram channel, and the link in the Telegram channel will take you straight to this site right here. So if I scroll up back to the link by clicking on it, which means everyone actually understand the terms and conditions which I explained. Now by clicking on the link, it will take you to the site like right here, which is what I just did right now. So you can see on the screen is this is what you'll be having. You see, it's actually straightforward. You have $30 new deposit, new bonus from InstaForex. Now you can see open an MT4 trading account and get $30 right now. To get the bonus is also straightforward. By clicking on this right here, it says open an account, which will actually take you to where you'll be putting in your details to actually open an account. Now scrolling up right here is to actually check other details to see if there's anything you actually need to be aware of. Now bonus will be added to your account immediately. You can see the notice right here. Funds are credited instantly after opening an account and completing verification. Now the important part of this bonus right here is for you to actually verify your account, which means verifying your account is very important, which would actually be the reason you'll be credited with no deposit bonus. Now if you're actually using this link, it gives you a 99.9% chance that you'll be getting the bonus. But if you're actually using any other link, you might not actually get the bonus. You might just open an account and you will not be funded. Now by clicking on open an account, it shows you full details like this on how to open an account, and make sure it is MT4. You can see right here, mine is under MT4. Put in your full name, your email address, and put in your mobile phone number, and then click on open an account. So you clicking on open an account will bring you right here to this section, the step one, which this is where you need to take a photo of your face. You take a photo of your face, and after that you have to submit your document. Now after doing this part, I actually can actually take you through this. I'll just explain to you. Like I said, you need to actually just verify your details right here. Now after verifying your details, make sure you get verified. I say it once again. Now after verifying your details and you've been verified, you know it has been verified, you'll be credited automatically. Like they actually reached out to me, and if this bonus isn't legit, I want to be making video about it. That's one thing you should know about me. Now once you've been verified, this section right here is for you to actually verify, and anytime you want to log in to the dash to the area, to the client area, you'll be using the account number for the MT4 and also the password for the MT4 to actually log in into the client area. So once you log in, you'll be able to see more details about the amount you've actually made, and log in into the client area and then get to reach out to their support. And also, in case if they don't actually credit you automatically, you can actually just reach out to their support and make sure you get funded. So I hope everyone actually understands every single explanation which I made. And if you know you don't understand, just reach out to me in my DM. The link to my DM is actually in the description of this video. You can reach out to me in my DM, and I'll actually reply you and help you sort out any aspects you don't understand. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notification so you don't miss out anytime I drop any no deposit bonus and free problem account which I'll actually drop in very soon. So have a nice day, guys, and take care.